Quamon Fowler, the founder of the Sound Musician Mentorship Program. I was working last night with my mentees on After You've Gone, and we were looking at Patrick Bartley's solo, and we was also looking at Baptiste Herbin's solo on After You've Gone. And so the thing that was very interesting is how they navigate playing through the changes. Every week we have Zoom classes on jazz improvisation, recording, and also music business and marketing for musicians. Okay, and so if we start with the top, we start on the 4 chord, and then it does. That's where you approach going to the 4 and then going to the flat 7, then you go to the 1. So if you're in the key of B flat major concert, you would say. Now, that's a 2-5-1 that you hear in Just Friends as well. You hear that in Just Friends, but in After You've Gone, you hear that. So we go. And it moves on. So we go from the 4 to the flat 7 to the 1. So that's let's say 4 to flat 7 to the 1, and then we go to the 6, the 2, then 2, 5, 1, and then we go. Then we go to the 5. So we got a 2. Actually, that's a 5 going to the 1, but it's a 2-5-1. So when I say, so it's a 2-5-1, but it takes us to the 4 chord at the top. So it starts on the 4. So what I would do is make up something that will connect me into that minor. All right, so I hope that was helpful.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you click that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date when new videos are posted. This is Q, the Texas Tenor. Peace.